Okay, so we've got a 2019 Isuzu MUX. Now it's the LST edition, 7-seat, 2-wheel drive, turbo diesel. Got the tow bar there all set up ready to go. Reverse camera, parking sensors, alloy wheels. It's got the tinted windows, weather shields. It's got 4 very good tyres on it, bonnet protector as well. Just a beautiful car all around. Still under factory warranty. We'll take a look at the interior as well. So we've got the cruise control on the steering wheel there, Bluetooth Connect dual airbags. Only travelled 74,000 kilometres. Satellite navigation, reverse camera. It's a big colour screen that. Climate air conditioning, automatic transmission. LST comes with electric seats and leather trim. Side airbags as well. All in excellent condition there. Front passenger, logbooks, 2 keys. Check out the photos for the service history. There's your back seat there. And you've got your 3rd row in the boot. Little DVD player at the top there. All inquiries are welcome.